Federal Republic of Nigeria, 5 shillings.
Okay.
5 shillings. And this one is over 70 years.
Okay.
Over 70 years.
Okay. Over Sahi.
Yes.
Now, this is £1, Bank of Biafra.
Okay.
And this is history, Bank of Biafra.
Okay.
This is £1, Republic of Biafra, £1.
Okay.
We didn't use pounds in the day.
I think I met this 10 naira.
Very good.
I met 5 naira.
There are people who never saw this 10 naira.
No, I met this 10 naira.
Very good. So a lot of the money, this is the Central Bank of Nigeria, £1. So this should be over 70, 80 years.
Yeah. Serious.
So I have a collection of this in my house.
Okay.
And this is what we keep as history of where we're coming from.
Yes.
Ego.
Ego.
Yeah.
5 naira.
No, yeah, I will 5 naira meet you. This is the 5 naira I met. There's 5 naira.
There are different types of 5 naira.
Yes. No, there's one 5 naira. Check. There's one 5 naira I met. No, this is not the 5 naira I met.
And this is 50 kobo.
This is the 5 naira.
Okay, that's the 5 naira.
This is the one I know. This is the one I spent. I don't know about this. Over, did you meet this 5 naira? Are they possible? I met this 5 naira. I met this 10 naira. I met this 20 naira. I met the kobo. I met the 1 kobo. I don't know this. I don't know. I meet him. This is what?
So
this is the one that married.
This one came before this one.
Yes, this is the first one.
You see, this one's cowrie.
Yes. Yes.
Look at the. Okay, you've not seen AB. Where is the iron one? Oh, here it is. Let me give one.
Okay, the history man.
Yes, you have to. No. Maybe. Igbo.
So this is money.
Yes, this is money.
Serious.
Yes.
They use for trade and butter.
Yes.
Serious.
Yes. And all one mago from royal family don't get with it. Yes.
Yes.